Alright guys, today's project, we're going to be changing the oil on this Tyler Dunn gas cart. I was looking for videos and showing where the drain plug is at, and I came to find out that it's not on the side like most engines. They usually have a square bolt somewhere in the front or in the back of the block, but these actually have it in the bottom. And a lot of people get discouraged because they have a dustpan that's riveted on, but they actually have a 17mm bolt through the bottom. So I'll show you guys how it looks from the bottom right now. Alright, I got the cart jacked up and jack stands. I already drained the oil, and these engines, they take 4-cycle engine oil, 1030. Got it at Home Depot. The spark plug, tub of towels, always need those. So let me show you where. So you can see in this hole, that's where the drain plug is at. So you don't have to take off the dustpan or anything like that. Here is the bolt. I don't know if you can see it. They have this it's like a copper washer. Make sure you don't lose it or to seal it up. So yeah, just take it out, drain the oil, put it back in, put your new oil in. Nothing to it. Those are the spark plugs. You can see the old one was pretty much gone. The new one, they're pretty much gapped the same. So, and these use a 13/16 spark plug socket. There's a hole in there. You don't gotta really tighten it that much, just snug it in there and tight. Put your connector back in. I'm good to go. Now, add your oil. I ended up putting 2 quarts. Let's see where it's at. You can't really tell, but it's right at level. It's good to go.